With so many frightening things going on in the world, it can be a real challenge for parents to explain current events to their children. The 24-hour news cycle flows constantly on television, our smartphones, and other devices. It's impossible for parents to completely shield their kids from the media. And when tragedies like shootings and terrorist attacks occur, it can be traumatizing for children struggling to understand what's going on in the world. Judith Myers-Walls is Professor of Human Development and Family Studies at Purdue University. She runs a website dedicated to helping parents talk about war and peace issues with their kids. Myers-Walls says the challenge that parents face is finding a way to explain these often scary events without overexposing their kids to news that could be potentially traumatizing.
I think it's really important for parents to recognize that they can't totally shield their children, but they also should not avoid shielding entirely and throw everything at them. Figure out where the balance is that works best for them and realize that they need to keep the door open. Let the kids know it's okay to ask me questions, but don't sit down and have a whole lecture about something that's just happened in the news because you think that the kids have to know it.
Myers-Walls added that parents can use these events as an impetus to help their children get involved in local community events and causes that their kid cares about in order to establish a sense of control between the child and the world that surrounds them.
Especially when there are big events going on that might be overwhelming, one of the best things for children is to feel like somebody is doing something about it. It's not that it's out of control and no one cares. So for parents to take action and to help the children to take some kind of action can be very helpful. And sometimes the action doesn't have to be all that related to the event that occurred. Just feeling like there's some goodness in the world and people are out there doing positive things to help other people, I think is really important.
To read more about Myers-Walls' research, visit extension.purdue.edu/purplewagon. You can also find articles with tips on how to explain difficult events to your kids on DadsDivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of DadsDivorce.com. Thank you for watching.